Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video, I got some really rare shoes to show you guys. Definitely by far the most exclusive sneaker I've shown on this channel, anything like that. Straight from Tokyo. Yeah, these are from Tokyo. I mean, that's actually the reason I put the Tokyo thing in the title, because no, obviously I didn't go to Tokyo to get these. I made someone else plug them for me. But yeah, you know, these are legit, and I'm actually like crazy excited to show you guys these. It's like, I'm keeping my pair, and this is like such a limited shoe, so I'm very excited for this. It's a huge personal collection item in my opinion. But yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I doubled up, you know, we got two pairs here. One was my boy's pair. So we're gonna be showing you guys both the pairs. They're the same sneaker, they're crazy. I'm really excited to show you guys these. So if you want more exclusive sneaker unboxings like these, rare sneakers, anything like that, go ahead, subscribe below and let me know in the comments. Also drop a like in this video too, because I'm trying to hit 100 likes. So if you can do that, I really appreciate it, because I'm trying to run a giveaway or something on some pretty cool sneakers soon. So I mean, hit that like button, because I need to see if people really want it, because I don't believe it, all right? But yeah, let's just get started. Alright, so we're gonna get straight into unboxing it. You know, we're just gonna start with this box right here because it's the one on the top. I don't even need scissors to do this. This is light work. I'm the baby. Alright, so I just got rid of the box, the cardboard box that I just tore it out of. But the sneaker that we got here is some Tokyo exclusive Revenge Storm sneakers. You know, Ian Connor's Vans, that some people would call them as. He made these, and yeah, here they are, straight up from Tokyo. About as rare as it gets. Tokyo exclusive Revenge Storms. These are insane. These are actually crazy. This is my friend's pair because this is a 12. I'm not a 12, I'm a 10 for your information. But these are crazy. These are crazy. Look at these. Like the whole reflective bolt thing. Like it's like a whole rainbow. I'm not even trying to exaggerate. Like these are insane sneakers. I don't even know what to say. Like just look at these. Like they're crazy. These are insane. I mean, these are like as limited. These are pretty limited, like for real. Yeah, I mean, I'm shocked. I mean, this is only the first. We still have a whole nother pair. This is crazy. But how about we go into some details so you can see that the reflective bolt right there, sort of like, you know, it's good quality. I mean, you can see like all the rainbow, all that there, like that goes crazy. So my friend isn't keeping his pair, so I'm actually gonna put his away because I don't want to mess it up. So I'm gonna take my pair out and then we're gonna try them on. I'm gonna go in more detail. So yeah, the first pair, the box goes, I mean, the box is even hard. Look at that, like that's all crazy. But yeah, you can just see Revenge X Storm, Ian Connor, all that. You know, these are hype and these go for a good bit. So I'm excited they even have, like this is the most excited I've been about a sneaker in a while. I don't get too hype over shoes, but I love to talk about them when I can, and this is awesome. So yeah, that's just the first one. We're gonna get into the second one now. I'm not playing, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, but next up, here's another pair, and yes, it's 100% legit too. You wanna see the inside? Here you go. I'm gonna show you the inside. Another pair right there. We got some more Tokyo, so, you know, did we do it to him? I don't know, you tell me. All right, but I'm gonna sit down, my friend's pair, I'm really am. But yeah, basically, you know, the box again, got the fire design on it. Actually, low key, hold up one sec. Some fire. And yeah, just going into a little bit more details on the shoe. So taking mine out, yes, I am gonna try these on, but basically same stuff, you know, the bolt, reflective, all that. Fire, I really mess with like that. That's why I'm keeping mine, is because these are just so sick. And also just want to say this really quick, not sure when I'm putting this in the video, but shout out Drops Cop. This video's not sponsored in any way, just gonna hook them up real here, say what's up. Basically, you know, they sent me these. Obviously I paid for them fully, so I'm not gonna say too much other than that, but like here's the whole success channel for all the members who have received their Revenge Storms and different things, just to show you they're legit. You get what you pay for, and you can make your money really easily back. It's a very profitable group chat. Yeah, you know, shout out to him, give me the good deal on these. Really appreciate them for sure. So just want to throw that out there, you know, totally telling you guys sort of where I got them, and they're legit. So if anybody's questioning if my shoes are fake, I'm gonna let it speak for itself. You dumb. And then also on the back, you know, you can just say off. Basically what it says right there, it says, probably not gonna focus, but it says off the had to mute that there, so you probably didn't know what I said, but basically the creamy white colorway is some fire too. Like, take a moment to appreciate this at least. Like, this is some fire. Look at this. I mean, I don't want to like flex too much, but like these are probably my favorite sneaker that I've bought in a very long time. Closest, I mean, pretty much one, you know, with the reflective thing, they're close to Travis, like Air Force One. You know, I could probably, there's some other pairs that look pretty similar to them that actually aren't. Because that's my favorite sneaker ever. It's like Travis Air Force One or Top 3, Jordan Top 3, one of those. But these are crazy, so we're going to try them on. We're getting to a little bit more detail, you know, on the tongue right here. Actually, if you can read right there, it says Revenge. You know, obviously it's all bended because it's like still tucked away right there. Yeah, you know, these are insane, and I'm actually gonna put them on feet. We're gonna try them on, start talking about it a little bit more. And also gonna shoot a fire thumbnail right now. But yeah, bolt, all that. You know, the laces aren't in them right now because they're actually tucked right here. But there's just also the bottom of the sneaker too. I didn't actually talk about this, but right there, you know, just Revenge X Storm. Actually, did I Did I hold this up? I held it up. Good job, Tristan. All right, but yeah, there you go. You can see just Revenge X Storm right there on the bottom. Basically, these are like Hypebeast fans, you know? Ian Connor made these and they're fire. So we're gonna put them on feet right now because I've been delaying it. So let's get into that. All right, we back after some technical difficulties and some mom questions. That was not funny. But boom, we now fresher than everybody. I know I'm wearing them with black socks, but that don't really matter. Bottoms are dirty because I just went outside to actually take out the trash. But I'm gonna clean them. I'm gonna keep these clean permanently. But yeah, you see this is fresh. I mean, this whole sneaker is just straight fuego, dude. Like, I mean, the like reflective thing and all that. You notice how I'm expanding my vocabulary in my videos? I just used the term fuego. I know this isn't the best angle, but I'm just trying to do what I can. But yeah, you see this how they look on foot. You know, wearing them with these pants, I actually like this outfit because I think it goes like the reflective babe tee with the reflective Tokyos, the chain. I mean, yeah, these are some heat. I'm really glad to have, like, this on fire. All right, like this is my favorite sneaker maybe ever now. I don't know, but they're hype and yeah, really limited to, straight from Tokyo. You already know. Let's roll that outro. And one more detail that I did forget to point out is the fact that on the inside of the sneaker, it says Storm. You can see part of it right there, but yeah, on both of them, I mean, it's another little quick thing. You can see it. It's pretty cool. I mess with it, but favorite sneaker maybe ever. I'm still deciding right now in the moment, but these are insane on feet, and in my head I thought they were gonna look pretty dope, but they look so much more dope than I even imagined in person. Like the whole leather up, like this is so nice. Like, jeez. I'm done now. Let's actually roll that outro. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that right there, and hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing of these rare sneakers. You know, these are special to me. These actually have this has a place in my heart. I love these. All right, I love these shoes. This is my new shorty because this one won't do me wrong. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like on this video. Also, no shade to any old people like that there. That was just a joke. Okay, but if you guys want more videos like this, this rare unboxing, go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Don't forget, let's see if we need 100 likes. I don't think we can do it because I think y'all are capped. All right, 100 likes, and I'll give y'all a giveaway of something. But I mean, I need to see us hit 100 likes before I do it, because I don't know if y'all be real with me. You know what I mean? I'm gonna be real with you. You be real with me. See what I'm saying? But yeah, happy to have these, so I'm gonna set them down. Just thank you guys, because I wouldn't be able to get these without you all. You guys always supporting me, always showing love. Like, just seriously, I love you guys. Thank you. But enough talk with that. We done. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I gotta get this edited and I'm gonna go study for 2 tests. Probably gonna be up to like 1 a.m., 2 a.m., whatever. The sleep can wait, the hustle can't though. I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Peace out.